Hi, myself Ravikumar. I am from Don Bosco Institute of Technology and I am from ISC background. So I was looking for a best coaching platform where I can improve my Java skills. So I got to know that Jspider is the best in the field. So I joined here. So I can call it as a fortunate to me to learn and explore more about full stack development. So the trainers and the placement opportunities provided here are excellent. So it is highly recommended for the students who are looking for the IT field. So I have placed in a decent company and my package is 3.5 lakh per annum and I have joined as a software engineer L1. So I have completed 1 year of experience in that company. So this is me and my experience in Jspiders are excellent. So it is highly recommended for the IT students and non-IT students as well. So to explore more about the IT field. So thank you.